Want to search Facebook account by phone number? Then it's pretty simple and a quick process. So let's get started with the video. First thing first, make sure that you are using the updated version of the app. Once done, simply open it. Also make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you need to head over to menu at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then click on this gear icon at the top right corner. Here in the search settings, you simply have to search for Upload Contact. And then click on it. Click on your Facebook. Now tap on Continue. Your contacts will be uploaded on the Facebook. Now all the contacts that has the Facebook will be available to you in the Facebook suggestion. You can see that all the profiles are visible to you. So this is simply how you can search for your Facebook account with the help of the phone number. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.